How to get cash from Klarna. Follow my instructions. Klarna is mostly used for shopping and payments, but there are ways to access cash from your account or card. Here's how you can withdraw it safely. First, open the Klarna app on your phone. Log in with your registered email and password. From the home screen, tap on the Cards or Payment Methods section. If you have a Klarna card, you can withdraw from any ATM that accepts it. Insert the card, enter your PIN, and select Cash Withdrawal. Choose the amount and confirm the transaction. If you don't have a physical Klarna card, you can send funds from your Klarna account to a linked bank account. Go to Payment Settings and select Transfer to Bank. Keep in mind, Klarna may charge a fee or apply interest for cash withdrawals. And not all Klarna accounts have withdrawal options enabled. Always check your terms in the app before proceeding. That's how to get cash from Klarna quickly and securely. Thanks for watching.